Hey there, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I am making keto meatballs. I love these meatballs because they're simple. You put them together, you bake them in the oven, and then you can use them on pasta. We make meatball subs with them, put lots of mozzarella cheese with fresh basil on it, delicious with sub buns. Lots of different ways to use these meatballs and toss a salad, and it's a great meal. So let's get started. We're going to start with our chopped garlic. I'm going to add that in. I use a pound of ground chuck and a pound of bulk Italian sausage. Now I'm using hot Italian sausage, which isn't really hot, it's just spicy. But you could use sweet Italian sausage. I use all sorts of different sausages. I'm going to add a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And then I'm going to add 2 large eggs. Don't forget, the eggs are fresh from Sweetgrass Dairy in Fredericktown. And I buy them right here in Clintonville on High Street at City Folk for the same price you pay for stale eggs in the grocery store. So we're going to add some onion salt. I just wing it. I think the recipe calls for like a teaspoon. Oh, 2 teaspoons. So a lot more than I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to add some Italian herbs. Just a handful, pop them in there. We're going to add some red pepper flakes. Even though we have hot Italian sausage, I'm still going to add a few red pepper flakes. When I have sweet Italian sausage, I always just add a few more red pepper flakes just to give it a little zing. And then some parsley. And that's it. We mix them up. Wash your hands first. I just did before I started all this. All right, we got them all mixed up. We're ready to roll our meatballs, or I just use an ice cream scoop so I get them all pretty much about the same size, and I like them pretty good size. So just roll them like that. So we have another guest chef with us coming in.
Hello, guest chef. I don't know if I would call myself a chef. Chef is a very, you gotta be pretty seasoned to be a chef. I'm more of a dabbler in the kitchen.
That's what we all are.
Yeah. What's your pepper in there?
Little hot Italian sausage.
Yeah, that's what I'm smelling.
Yeah. We're gonna bake them. Now I will tell you, I forgot to add the mozzarella into the things, but we will adjust for that. We're going to bake these for 20 minutes, and then we're going to pop them out, add marinara sauce to them and the mozzarella, pop them back in for 10 minutes, and they're done. Aren't they? Don't they?
Now,
Okay.
Sue, how many? Oh, go ahead. Oh, those do look good.
I don't make my marinara anymore. I just use Rao's. I think it's delicious marinara. So now that we've baked our meatballs, I'm just pouring it over the top, and going to bake them a little bit longer. We're going to add our mozzarella. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. They are done to perfection. Onto our bun. Look at that. Look at that deliciousness. I know. So they're not so messy. Just add some basil on top. Voila. You have a meatball sub.
I'm gonna take one bite, eh? Mmm. That's good.